that open. Mini fridge, but no microwave. Coffee maker, tea maker, no microwave. None with multiple plugs. This one doesn't have the USB. Neither do those, but the clock has the USB. Interesting, right? Two drawers. Long hallway. Closet. Board and a safe. And now for the bathroom. Very big shower. And it's really nice, clean tiles. And plus you get 2 bottles, otherwise shampoo, conditioner. Some hotels still do this, many don't. This is a large sink, just one. It's big enough. And we were provided with lotion and the hand soap. And the makeup remover. Wipes for the ladies. Big enough restroom or bathroom. It's actually a very nice size and it's clean. That's the most important thing. It's very clean, very comfortable. I like it. Good job, Fairfield. There you have it. Peter, PetesCruises-n-Travel.com and All-Inclusive Caribbean Cruises. Bringing you live from Fairfield by Marriott in Avon, Ohio.